Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Marshall / Homegoods, and I see that they have their Christmas items out already. So I'm going to start with this little Santa right here. $29.99 for that. They have that Merry and Bright sign. I'm not sure what the price of that is, but I'm not going to try that right now, guys. But they also have this little guy right here. He's $29.99. They have the Kringles Pick Your Tree form. These little boxes here, $5.99 for those. They have this tree here. It actually lights up. It is a, wow, look at the price. The price is $149.99, but it's very pretty. They have these little houses right here. This is what they look like in the front. These are $9.99. And as you can see, they have another one of those little houses right, one of those trees right there. That one is $149.99 as well. All right, guys, so they have some of these little tumblers right here. This one says Fa La La, and it's made by Ray Dunn, $7.99. They have this one right here that says Hot Cocoa, $9.99. They have these little maybe candle holders, or you can use these as a glass or something for $3.99. But they have that one there. They have the little one with the dogs, and I think I see one more, and it's the same, guys. They have these little set of 12 napkins here, $14.99 for those. And I see another one of these Ray Dawn mugs here. 'Tis the Season, $9.99 for that. They have these set of 4 napkins here, Balsam and Fur, and these are $5.99. They also have the tablecloth there as well. They have one of these Ray Dawn tumblers here. It says Naughty, $12.99. They have these placemats here. You get a set of 4. It says Mary on it. And I'm not sure the price of these. Let's see here. It's just a set of 4 placemats. Yeah, guys, it doesn't have a price. They have these right here. These are $9.99. That's what it looks like. And you get a set of 4. Here's another one of these tumblers here that says Nice. $12.99 for that. Let's see here. They have a lot of these right here. 'Tis the Season. They have these little set of 12 napkins here that says Mary on the front. These are $14.99. They have that oblong tablecloth right there with the matching 4 set of napkins. These are $6.99. And the tablecloth is $12.99. All right, guys, so up here they have these little penguin. These are salt and pepper shakers here for $9.99. They have this train car with lid, like a cookie dish or something you want to put on the inside. I'm not sure what the price of it is. Doesn't say a price. They have these napkin rings right here. These are $12.99. They have these little travel mugs right here for $7.99. They have these teaspoons. You get a set of, well, actually these are pastry forks, a set of 6. These are $9.99. They have the teaspoon set of 6, the spoons for $9.99. They have the mugs right here. These are $12.99. They have those set of 4 placemats down there. Those are $9.99. All right, guys, so they have a lot of gift boxes here. They have these right here. You get a set of 12, a set of 5 for $3.99, and they have them in different ones. They have this one right here. And they have this one right here that says Season's Greetings. They also have these little 16 blank note cards and envelopes for $3.99, the Peanut Gang. They have this, I'm assuming this is an ornament. I want to say a candle. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, it's actually a candle, but it looks like an ornament. They have these little trees right here. Candles. They have that one. They have the silver ones. And of course they have tons and tons of wrap. Christmas wrap. I see Nicole Miller. Most of these are Martha Stewart. And they're different prices. They have the potpourri here, sparkling apple. They have the, what is this? This is a set of tea towels here for $9.99. They have the evergreen forest. This is a huge candle, guys, and it smells amazing. Let's see here. It is going for, there's no actual price. Well, there it is, $29.99. There's that little guy again I showed you earlier, $29. Here's one right here also. And he is $29. They have the set of 3 holiday reindeers in silver. They have this tall Christmas tree right here. Actually, it lights up. It is $16.99. They have this guy right here I showed you earlier. They have these mugs right here. Those are real pretty. They have those. And these are $3.99. And let me see if I can find the price of these deers right here. These deers are going for $16.99, guys. Those are really nice. All right, guys, so they have these spooled ornaments right here. This is a little stocking. They have the Santa there, or the Nutcracker. They have that one. They have that coffee mug there, guys. They have that one there. There's another stocking right there. That one has a red bow on it. Let's see, I'm going to show you that one. And these are all $5.99. Those are really nice. They have these little ornaments right here. Look at the snowman. They have these right here. Can't really see it, but it looks like a nativity scene. They have that one right there with Santa and the deer. They have these tumblers right here full of holiday spirits. These are $7.99. They have this table decor right here. It lights up, guys, for $14.99. They have these little table decors right here, or you can use them as ornaments. These are $4.99, and this is what they look like. They're actually hats. Those are very nice. They have this bottle stopper right here with the Christmas tree, $7.99. And they have some of the, still have some of the deers, but they have them in gold here. And I also saw some in black as well. Here they are. They have them in black. And they have this sleigh here for $12.99. And they have a lot of the glass Christmas ornaments here. These are going for $9.99. I see some gold ones there. And they have these real pretty ones right here for $9.99. Alright, guys, so they have some more potpourri. This is apple cinnamon. They have some of the Skinny Girl candles down here, scented candles, balsam fir. And they smell amazing, guys. The Skinny Girl candles are $9.99. And the potpourri is going for $7.99. They have these 2 candles right here, Fir Forest. And they have Snowflake. And they have these small ones right here, Fir Forest. These are $7.99. And they have Caramel Apple. They have this one, these candles right here that says Snow Days. These are $7.99. And I also see a Northern Pine one back here as well, $7.99. Okay, here's some candles right here. Simon and Design. A little Christmas tree right here, crystal. $9.99. And here is another one right here. And they also have the snowman one as well. Look at that. All right, guys, so they have some signs here. They have this one right here. $19.99 for that. And they also have these bigger ones right here. This one says Merry. And this one says Let's Be Merry. They have a lot of these throws right here, guys. Christmas throws, $16.99. They have this one, but they have a lot of the red ones here. They also have the Snoopy. And this one right here is $16.99. The Peanut Gang. We have some of the pillows here. Ski Club. We have some of those. And more throws here, guys. They don't have a lot of Christmas stuff out, but they're starting to put more things out. I came by last week and they only had a few, so I didn't do any vlogging or anything, but they have these. And it looks like someone put some kids' Christmas pajamas here. They're $7.99. But these are the ones that they do have. And how cute is this Christmas tree pillow? It has a Christmas tree on it. They have these white pillows right here with the icicles. I'm trying to find the prices for you guys. This one right here is $16.99. And this one right here doesn't have a price, guys. They have that Joy pillow down there. And they have that one right there with the Christmas trees on it. Alright guys, so they have some more of the tablecloths here. I think I showed you these earlier. The oblong tablecloths with the Christmas trees. But they have more of the bottle stoppers here. This one is a Christmas tree in green. $7.99. And they also have this one right here. Those are very pretty. Let's see. I think I pretty much showed you everything else. They have the placemats here. $12.99, Merry. But they're putting out a lot of things, guys. Alright, so look how pretty these little plates are, guys. It has the Christmas trees on these. These are $5.99. They have the bowls here. $5.99. And they also have the plates back here. I'm going to try to tell you the price of that one. $7.99 for the larger plates. They have the mugs here, Follow Law. With the little cute dog, $3.99. They have those pretty red plates right there. But they're putting out stuff slowly but surely, guys. They have this set right here, this green and red set for $7.99. But yeah, I don't see anything else, guys. Any other Christmas items that they have. I know that they're bringing a lot of Ray Dunn items. But this is going to be the end of the vlog. I do want to thank you so much, guys, for stopping by my channel today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Queen B. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. These are really pretty, right? Look at those. They have the red and white. You get a set of 3. A little cherry bowl here. But those are really nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I love this gold here. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.